Chef Tavakkul's wild recipes will take you to Azerbaijan's culinary paradise. Immerse yourself in the exotic flavors of Azerbaijan with Chef Tavakkul on a 120-minute culinary journey. This video features the chef's best wild recipes, straight from the rugged mountains of Azerbaijan. Each dish is an invitation to a culinary paradise, with unique flavors and traditional techniques that will transport you to another world. Throughout the video, Chef Tavakkul demonstrates how to combine fresh, local ingredients to create stunning dishes. The quality of the information is excellent, with a visual presentation that captures the essence of Azerbaijani cuisine. This video is a gem for food lovers and those looking to expand their culinary repertoire. Don't miss this gastronomic adventure. The link to the full video is in the description.